Okay everyone, so this is what my kit looks like now. From 2 aluminum boxes in one bag to one professional makeup kit case and one bag. So I'll just show you what I put in it. So this bag just has most of my palettes, which were a bit too big to fit into the case. So here on the top, I have brushes in here. Some are being dried for cleaning because I have a client tomorrow morning. I have my makeup sponges. I have I have a beauty blender in there and some other peripherals like it's skipping my mind right now. Q-tips and this little puffs used to apply eyeshadow on small. Let me just open it up instead of cracking my brain out. Yeah, these eyeshadow applicators, disposable ones. Set that there. It's one hand videoing. Okay, then of course wipes. Under the wipes, I have a bag, primers and moisturizers. So these are like face prepping stuff, and then fixing sprays like that. In there's a bag of powders, as you can see. So that compartment is quite deep. This is the bag full of foundations. Bag full of foundations and concealers. There. Then let me put this back. My brush roll. There. And then I put my tissues there. So that's what's in the top compartment. Ready to go. Now here, in this lower compartment, I've put in a cape that I use to cover my client so that in case of any spills or fallout from eyeshadow, it won't ruin their clothes, with eyelashes and a palette. I'll show you what that looks like. I got it from cosmetics. It's a palette for putting anything you want to mix together. That's the name of the site where I got it from. You can go on there and order it. And they have so many tools and disposables. They have so many, it's virtually insane. So, top, I just put in makeup essentials, like tools, pins, tape, scissors for trimming eyelashes, glue, glitter glue, eyelash glue, tweezers, sharpener, and all of that. And there's still some space. I can still take a few things. This is a color switch for dusting off color from your eyeshadow application brushes. It's a sponge. Under that, I have lipsticks, lip tars, and there's still room for more. This is awesome. Lip glosses, lip pencils, and there's still room for more. These are eyeshadow pigments, and this is glitter. More eyeshadow pigments, glitter, edge control for the hairline when I'm tying gilly or otherwise. Blushes and bronzers, and there's still room for more. Eye pencils, brow powders, brow pencils, gels, mascaras, and there's still room for more. And then different kinds of eyeshadows, pigments, pressed matte, all sorts of things. So this is basically what went in here. I'm thinking that with better arrangement, organization, I can actually get this case to take a lot more than I've put in. I think because I'm in a bit of a rush, that's why I put all of that in. So basically, that's what's in there. What's in here? a cosmetic sanitizer mist. My palettes, powder palettes, eyeshadow palettes, eyeshadows, powders, more eyeshadow palettes, and more palettes. So basically the palettes went in here because quite frankly some of them are too big to fit into the box. So I guess maybe later on I will get a small box I can attach to the top of this conveniently, like the same kind of dimensions where everything can fit in and then just go together. So for now, this is how I will be going out. And it's nice that they're both black, so it kind of looks good together and also looks professional if you ask me. So basically this is the part 2 of the video. Hope you guys have been able to see a few things. If you have any questions about this box in particular or any other thing about my makeup kit, you can just let me know. Buzz me, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, anyway you can reach me. Bye bye.